Alright, hello there, how are you doing today? I want to show you how to use this AI tool. Alright, so even if you are using Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. So just go to your browser or the address combo and type Bing, so Bing AI. So Bing AI is basically an AI machine owned by Microsoft directly. So you see Bing Chat here when it pops up. So we'll click Bing Chat. All right, for some of you, you may want to install something in your laptop and but don't worry about that. Just go straight through the browser. So here you see a lot of things like the search, normal search, the Copilot, the notebook. All right. So let's do something like the search. So the search is your normal search engine, but it has so much more things to offer. So let's go here and just see okay, what's going on in the search. So normal search. This is your normal search. So I just say how to learn AI. So I'm just doing basic. So it gives me results like Google, all right? So these are like Google-like results. So it gives you a link to places you can go to, all right? So this is good. This is your basic search engine kind of result. But now let's take it a little bit deeper. So I hit Copilot now, and I'm telling it how to learn AI. So now in Copilot, how to learn AI is trying to respond like a GPT now. See, beyond the search, it's telling me learning AI involves blah 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 blah. So it's showing me things now like chat GPT, like a GPT, all right, basically. So all in the same browser, all right. Look at the search. Look at what the search is, right? Giving me the search stuff. I go to Copilot, it's giving me the AI kind of response, whereby let me see, I'm getting my answers here without actually clicking any of those links in the search area. So you can learn from this and can do a lot. But let's even go beyond the Copilot. Let's go to the designer. So designer is used for image creation, all in the same browser. So let me go here and just click create a photo realistic image of an African boy playing football in the evening with a sunset background. Okay, just something basic, something simple. Okay, so let me hit it up. So based on how fast your connection is, that will determine, let me see, how quickly you can generate this. So, okay, system that's created it. So where is it? Okay, so fine. Okay, so it's generating it. So now just imagine what is going on. In the same browser, we're conducting a search. We are using Copilot for AI stuff. We're using the designer. If you look around here, you can see vacation planner, cooking assistant, fitness trainer. All right. So the Bing stuff, the Copilot is the real deal here. All right. So they can use it for so many things, and it has almost the same capability of ChatGPT 4, which is even higher than ChatGPT 3.5, the free ChatGPT. All right. So okay. So it's giving us the images we created, so you can check out the images. All right, and pick whatever you want. You can always redesign and retweak the images. All right, look at it. So boom, boom, boom. All right, so these are the basic image prompting, and if you want to download it, you can just click on the download. Let me go back here. So anyone want to download? Oh, what I do? Okay, go here. So you just click on it. You just right click. You can save image as copy image if you want. You can click on the download button here. Look at the download button. So we click this. Okay, it's going to download in your system and all that. So the AI, the search function, the Copilot function for the GPT, the design function to design. Let's go to the notebook. I didn't put that, but let's just say suggest 5 business ideas. I can start with 100,000 naira in Abuja. I have cooking, teaching, and writing skills. I can also clean and run errands and also do some computer related things. So I'm just giving this context. This is just a random simple thing I'm trying to do. All right. So suggest 5 ideas in each of my strengths. Oh, whatever. Let's just put it that way. Okay, fine. So I hit it up. So I'm using the notebook function now. So it's going to create my content right over here. So system cooking skills, catering services, meal preparation and delivery, baking and pastry business, cooking class, food blogging and vlogging, teaching skills, private tutoring. All right. So these are my GPT function. All right. GPT-4 per se that I'm using here. All right. That is breaking it down. So I'm using it to generate ideas. Not like I have to do the business, but it's giving me ideas. So if I have these things, I can just use this simple prompt. Of course, this is a very basic prompt, but simple enough to guide, a basic user. All right, can make your prompt more complex, give it more context and all that. But look at what it's telling us. You see, writing skill, freelance, copywriting, resume writing service, ebook publishing, blogging, cleaning skills, laundry, car wash business, waste management, fumigation business, personal errand running, personal shopping, courier services, event planning, home management, virtual assistance, data entry service, social media management, website design, graphics. So, or it can go on and on based on the context I gave it. So when you get it, what you do, you can copy it, and maybe go paste in your Microsoft Word or something in case you want to use it beyond here. And you see, boom, I can generate this. So with this, you can even be a consultant for somebody and help the person generate, or a business. They give what they're already doing, they give you their strengths and everything, and you can tell them, oh, what other businesses can they go on with this? Can they add to their business to make more money with this as their strength? I can generate things like this, and of course, bill them for it, or render it as a goodwill service to them, maybe exchange of future good or things like that. All right. So don't limit yourself. All right, learn how to use the Bing AI, and you will be amazed what you can do with this thing. Remember, Bing AI, that's where it starts from. Go to the beginning of the video to see how I did it. You can use the search button for your normal search. You can use your Copilot, you can use your designer and all that. You can use your notebook, function like the chat GPT-4, and you will just be amazed. Hope this was value to you. See you in my next micro AI skills. All right.